Hello, my name is Jaspreet and today let us talk about missing letters of Duolingo English test. You are provided with one short paragraph. It's about less than 100 words, and in that first and the last sentences are fully complete as I have told in the last videos. If you have not seen, you can check that videos on our channel, and in that some letters are missing after your first sentence and before the last sentence, and that missing letters can be grammar like the, and, or it can be any kind of tense, and it can be any kind of vocabulary or synonym also. So be careful. There are different kinds of topics that are coming in the passages of missing letters. Some are academic, whereas some are general. So the variety of topics, there is wide variety of topics. Like some topics are related to history, some are on space travel, some are on animals. It can be anything. So be prepared that topic can be on anything. You are not aware that which topic will come in your Duolingo English test. So be careful while attempting your questions. So the first letter of the passage, every time the first letter is already complete. As I have told, the sentence is complete and the last sentence is complete. You have to take help of those letters and those sentences. What you have to do, you have to take guidance of those sentences as well as letters that are already written there, and be careful of grammatical sentences. You have to take help of grammar while doing your Duolingo English test, especially in type the missing letters, so that you could come to know, because there are some spaces, some letters that are missing, and those can be of tenses also, like skip, it's written. SKIPP is written, and there are two blanks like SKIP and P. It's written, and there are two blanks. How you have to fill this? Here it will be skipped, E and D. Here you will come to know that ED will come. So this is related to tense, as well as you can say it's related to your grammar. So be careful of these things also. And this, as we all know, all the tasks are related with two subscores. So this task is also substituted with two subscores, that are literacy and comprehension. If you are good in this, you will get good scores, but if you are lacking in this, then you will get less band scores. I think nobody wants this to get. So be careful and practice well and your literacy as well as your comprehension, because you will get your scores with these two subscores, literacy as well as comprehension. Here I have given some examples that you will see further in the video. So stop it for 3 minutes, because this task is of 3 minutes. Stop it for 3 minutes and then read and find that missing letters. After that example, there will be answers for you that will be written, so that you would come to know where you are lagging behind or how many scores you can get while practicing here. Here I have given 5 examples. Be careful and attempt those examples by your own also.
So there are some examples that are given here. Firstly, you are provided with one question. Read it very carefully while pausing the video for 3 minutes, because this task is of only 3 minutes. And then you will be provided with answers. So the answers for the first passage is: science plays a significant role in life of people. It makes the faithful communication of scientific developments more important than ever. Yet, such communication is fraught with challenges that can easily distort discussions, leading to unnecessary confusion and misunderstandings. So now there is second example that is given here, which is related to potato. Pause the video and write it firstly by your own. So now the answers for this are given here. The potato was first cultivated in South America between 3 and 7,000 years ago. Though scientists believe they may have grown wild in the region as long as 13,000 years ago. The genetic patterns of potato distribution indicate that the potato probably originated in the mountainous west central region of the continent. Let's move to the next example that is related to music. Solve it firstly, then you will be provided with the answers. So the answer for this is the music was brilliant. I particularly enjoyed some of the supporting bands. I always find they perform better than the main stars. It's probably because most of the supporting bands are not well known, and this is their great opportunity to get their music heard. I would really recommend anyone to go to one of these pop festivals. I wish I had slept into a hotel rather than deciding to sleep in a tent. So there is fourth example, which is related to history, Alexander Bogdanov. So solve it firstly, then will be given answers. So let's move to the answer of this. Alexander Bogdanov was a Russian physician, philosopher, economist, science fiction writer, and revolutionary. In 1924, he began experiments with blood transfusion in a search for eternal youth. After 11 transfusions, which he performed on himself, he declared that he had stopped going bald and had improved his eyesight. So now here is last example which is being done for you, which is related to a theater. Pause it and solve it within 3 minutes. So the answers for this are: when we go to the theater, we go to see the actors and their performance. The stage is the central focus point. It is where everything happens, or at least everything that the audience is supposed to see. But there is so much more to putting on the performance than just the acting cast. There is a whole team of people who we never see, but without whom no production would be possible.
So these were the 5 examples that we have solved together. So if you need more these types of questions or more videos related to Duolingo English test, then subscribe our channel and I'll surely bring more informative videos for you related to the task of Duolingo English test. Thank you and have a nice day.